Welcome to the BlueSilica Institute of Technology course Introduction and Structure. BSIT is a training wing of the BlueSilica Technologies Pvt Limited, India. BSIT has conceptualized and developed a specialized technical course for engineers on the Android design and development aspects. This course is built so as to lead the students to careers in mobility domain. Now, is there anyone here without a mobile phone? Possibly the answer is a big no. It is because mobile phones today have become a social necessity and a need to all. Everyone who is socially active, from a roadside vendor to a busy executive, needs to have a mobile phone for his activities to be successful. This social need is no longer a luxury and is getting projected to the future generations to come. This is the situation, especially after the introduction of smartphones, which was enabled by the wonder technology called Android. All of us know that every app we create and use is made possible by the application of the Android technology. Today's mobile phones are enabled to download these apps. It is estimated that there are around 7 million apps available for the mobile users, and it is also forecast that this number will multiply many-fold in the future. That is why today's mobile market requires hundreds and hundreds of engineers with higher level of Android know-how and expertise. The Android smartphones have revolutionized the communication and connectivity, and also career opportunities. A stage has reached where mobile market technicians cannot have careers and career growth without full knowledge of the entire gamut of the Android technology. And onto this stage has emerged our institute of BSIT, the BlueSilica Institute of Technology, to gear up to the knowledge and enhance the technical know-how to the engineering student community. You are all aware that this Android apps technology field is agog and vibrant, especially in countries like South Korea, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Japan, and such other Asia Pacific sectors. And it must be noted that BSIT is an institute backed up by Android professionals and experts from South Korea. BSIT Android course is unique in many ways as the following slides show. The uniqueness of BSIT is of several dimensions. Apart from the backup professionalism of Android experts who are working in South Korea market, this training course at BSIT is wholly and totally conceptualized and developed by them. These experts have worked on projects for jumbos like Samsung, LG, etc. And in this uniqueness contain many value additions also. Like this is a course where there is an income paid to the students as stipend. Half the fee paid is returned as stipend to the students during their practical training period of the latter 6 months of the 1-year course. The course covers all the aspects of Android technology like programming languages, hardware, Linux programming, Android internals, and app development. Half the course is job-oriented with real-time projects during which students will be working on projects under guidance of seniors. In a way, this course may be called as job-oriented course right from day one and also a very cost-effective course. The golden feature of this course is that the students may have a chance of working with Korean electronics companies after successful completion of the course, either offshore or on-site as the situation demands. Not only technical subjects but also soft skills are taught in the course for improving communication skills. It will be the best endeavor of BSIT and BlueSilica Technologies to arrange for possible placements. How does it work for BSIT? Companies want ready-to-work Android engineers. They want to save time and resources in giving training to freshers at their own companies. Instead, they want engineers to work from day one or in other words, ready-made Android engineers. And herein comes BSIT to provide state-of-the-art training to engineers on Android technicalities and make them ready for job opportunities. In a nutshell, the benefits of the course are comprehensive theoretical inputs, extensive practical experience, and placement opportunities. Let me now give the course introduction in detail. It is a one full year course with the first half year on theoretical inputs and the second half year on practical training on real-time projects. Please note that the second half year is on a stipendiary basis. The course is handled by faculty from India and also by some faculty from South Korea. The course is costed reasonably, and the fee indicated here is for the entire one-year course. But it must be noted that the stipend paid to the student in the second half year as given here is per month. It just means that half the course fee is returned back to the student. Normally, the course fee once paid is not returned for any reason whatsoever, either in the first half year or in the second half year. However, under extreme and very special cases, BSIT may consider to refund 3/4 of the total course fee, less any stipend amounts paid during the second half of the year. It clearly means that no part of the course fee will be refunded during the first half year under any circumstances. In other words, this special refund rule applies to students who opt to leave in the second half year only. Now to the course contents. C language is taught in the first month with related lab work. In the second month, C++ language is taught with respective lab work. And simultaneously, microprocessor architecture and bootloader concepts are taught with lab work. This third month covers the subject of Linux fundamentals and system programming with connected lab work. Android history and fundamentals are also taught during the third month with related lab work. Two subjects, Linux device driver and Android runtime, framework and internals, are taught in the fourth month along with lab work on them. Java language and Android HAL and porting different modules are the subjects that are covered in the fifth month along with lab work. The subject Android application development is taught in the sixth month with lab work. BSIT will also give some inputs on time management and interview skills and technique at convenient intervals. As mentioned earlier, some of the technical subjects will be taught by faculty from South Korea using online video conferencing tools. Therefore, on such times, the timing of the classes will be adjusted to suit the time zone difference between India and South Korea. Such changes will be informed with due notice. The following technical team coordinates the technical aspects of the course and real-time projects for students on the job training, mostly from South Korea. The management team mentioned over here coordinates the mentoring, recruitment and placement of students. Here is the list of contact persons. Please feel free to contact any of us or write to us for any extra information. We conclude our presentation with a big thank you. All of us from BSIT are highly thankful to you for sharing your valuable time, and also thank you for allowing us to share with you our academic services available at our BSIT. Thank you.